If your Lexus LX Apple CarPlay connection keeps dropping or failing to launch, let's troubleshoot it in 2 minutes. Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connection issues stem from minor software glitches or faulty cables. Let's break down the diagnostic process to get you back on the road. Start by swapping your cable for a certified one and cleaning the port on your phone to ensure a secure connection. Many owners overlook that Siri must be enabled for CarPlay to function properly, so check those privacy settings first. If the phone is still acting up, forget the device in the Lexus Bluetooth settings and repair it as a new connection. Most issues are fixed at home, but if the USB port itself is physically damaged, you will need a professional. This chart shows that a simple cable swap is the most effective solution for restoring your CarPlay connection. If you reach the point of a master reset, ensure you have saved any important vehicle profile data first. Keep these 3 items in your glove box to handle any sudden connectivity issues on the go. Remember, keep it simple. Most electronic gremlins are just minor communication errors. If these steps didn't solve your issue, it is time to have your dealer check the head unit hardware. Thanks for watching.